what a beautiful day today. Today is Sunday morning. After a heavy rain last night, I came out. I saw such a beautiful weather. I decided to document this day and appreciate that I'm alive and I can see and enjoy the nature and the beauty of the flowers and earth, and smell the air, fresh air, and differentiate between good and bad. It's really, today is a beautiful day, and I want to share with everybody this day. The weather is not so cold. It's about maybe 60 degrees, and no rain. Sun is coming, and make this community even more beautiful. The birds are singing, the water is running, and these are leftover water from last night. The silence is everywhere. You cannot hear anything except the birds. Yeah, they are jumping from one tree to other tree, as if that this is their home, which it is. Yeah, they live here. Yeah, they live here. These black birds, they live here, and they talk to each other by singing their own language. This is another home. I love this community so much. You really can enjoy if you are into the nature and you love a tree and earth. You really enjoy. It's mixed with a lot of nature impression. A lot. Seems the corner of sun is coming out from this angle. Yeah, I was talking about the homes in here. Each home has its own character and its own beauty. But you have to see it, you have to observe it. The sun is out. Welcome. And I walk through the sun now. We get to a bunch of birds in this corner. They are happy. They are looking for food, and I'm chasing them to see where they go. They went under the bushes, so no more I can see. Even the dead bushes, to me, is beautiful. I love to see them. I stay hours and hours to watch them, how they live. They are alive. They are alive by themselves. Listen. These are the birds that they went under the bush. They talking to each other. This piece of land is undeveloped, but by itself it's alive and a lot of life in there. There is snake, birds, nest, vegetation, and all these elements that we can see. They are alive and they do live in here, but somebody has to see it and recognize them. If you hear them, if you listen, you can hear them. See? She's saying, we are here. We are here. As we go up the hill, we see different view. This is another home with its own character. It's like Spanish type with mountain behind, Rocky Mountain behind it. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. The mountain is covered with vegetation, and as we see, a cloud behind it. Blue cloud, blue sky. Across from the same house, we see this one. This is a totally different character, made of rocks or river rocks as a finishes, and it looks beautiful. All together they look beautiful. They created a very peaceful community. As I climbed up to upper hill, I reached to a trail, and this trail leads to a running river right now. I'm sure it's full of water, but it's very difficult to walk at this time because it's muddy. I decided not to walk. I'm halfway to the top of the hill. I wanted to rest a little bit and talk. This is another home. By the way, in this community there is about 1,000 homes, and we pay homeowner association about $250 a month, which is not that bad at all, because what can you do with 250? But all together it's a lot of money to homeowner association. It's like $250,000 a month they collect, so they can do a lot of improvement to the community. Maybe that's why it's so clean and so livable. One important statement about this community is security and safety of the community. There is no single case in here in last at least 15-16 years that I live here about burglary or robbery of the community. There is none, so it's very safe and secure because it has only one gate to come in and to come out. Yes, it is very difficult for unwanted person to get in and out here. This was my short presentation or tour of where I live, the Bell Canyon, after the rain. Thank you for watching.